welcome back to our channel. In today's video we're going to do a gorgeous hairstyle. It is a braided ponytail. We're going to do it with Dutch braids and I'm going to show you step by step. I'm gonna give you some tips that I have to get the braids and this ponytail perfect. Let's start.
Okay, first of all we have to know where we're going to do the ponytail. I will do it a little high on the crown. So we have to split the hair first in order to get the ponytail where we want. We have two ways to split the hair. One is doing a division in the middle of the head from the forehead. And next, do another one from the crown to the ear. So we have this section and we will do 3 braids and then we will do the same thing on the other side. The second way to split the hair, this is the one that I prefer, is do the first division from the ear to the crown where we want the ponytail. So this is the first division and do the same thing on the other side. In here, we have to check that the division is even on both sides, from the ear passing by the crown and to the other side. Next, comb the hair, comb the bottom section and hold it into a ponytail so we can work with the top part. Now we split the hair in half, from the forehead to the crown. I'm going to hold this section and we will start with the right side. First, we will do the divisions to do 3 braids on this side. The hair is usually fine on the sides, so the top strand needs to be thinner and thicker in here. In this way, the braids will look even at the end. I'm going to do the first division from the front to the crown. Use a comb to split the hair and fix the division until it's perfect. Okay, next, split the top section in half. When we are ready, we will hold these 2 strands out of the way. And I will use another bobby pin in here to really separate the hair. To start the first braid, we can wet the hair with water or apply hair gel. If you don't have experience with gel, I don't recommend it because it will keep sticking to your fingers all the time. So today I will use hairspray and you will see the result will be perfect. Be generous spraying the hair and comb the section in the direction of the crown. In this way the hair will be smooth and easy to work with. My girl had braids before this hairstyle, that's why her hair looks wavy, but it will be fine with hairspray. Good. We will start by picking up a small piece of hair from the front and split it into 3 equal pieces to do a Dutch braid. Some people grab the strands in this way, but I like and I recommend to hold them from underneath the hair like this. Now cross the top strand under the middle one and now cross the bottom strand under. Again, cross the top strand under, and as you can see, I receive the strand with my index and thumb fingers while I hold the other one with the middle finger. I think this is the easiest and best way to hold the strands to prevent the braid of being loose. And we are always going to hold the hair like this with the left or right hand. In here, we add a tiny piece of hair to this strand and again receive the strand from the other side with the thumb and index finger, and hold the other ones with the middle finger. Now add hair from the bottom. As you can see, it's a tiny strand. Now cross the top strand under, and again I receive with the thumb and index finger and hold the other one with the middle finger. Now add a tiny strand of hair to the braid and cross the bottom strand under the middle one. The new strands have to be always really small, like 2 or 3 millimeters, especially if you want the hairstyle last for 3, 4 or even 5 days. It will be perfect if you add tiny strands. If you add thicker strands, the braid will be loose the next day. It won't hold very well. So one more time in here, add hair from the top and cross the bottom strand. Now add hair from the bottom and cross the top strand. We're going to do the braid towards the crown, and as you can see, I keep my hands very close to the head. There's no need to pull the hair. Sometimes we just think the braid should be tight, so we pull the braid and your hands are getting slowly apart from the head. In this way, the braid will be tight. The key is having your hands very close to the head all the time. Okay, in here we almost reach the crown, so the section of hair is thinner every time. We will start adding hair just from one side. In here, I'm going to add it from the top and cross the other strand under without adding hair. Again, add hair just from this side and cross the bottom strand without adding hair. In this way, the braid will be in the middle of the section and we will add the remaining hair easily. Okay, I have the last strand to add, and then do 2 or 3 more stitches of the braid, and we're going to hold it with an elastic band. Good, now we can grab the second section and we will do the same thing. Spray the hair with hairspray, comb the hair and start braiding. Don't forget then, tip number 1, add the hair to the braid in tiny strands. Tip number 2, do the braid towards the crown. And tip number 3, keep your hands very close to the head. You have to feel you are touching the head. Okay, I'm doing the last braid and hold it with an elastic at the end as well. When we have ready this side, we're going to do the other one following the same steps. So here we have the first braid. In here I finished the second one. And when we have them all, we're going to comb the hair that we had at the back, bring it upwards to the crown and hold the hair with 1 or 2 regular bends. I usually like using 2 so the ponytail will be firm. Perfect. We're going to grab a small piece of hair from the ponytail now. Wrap it 2 or 3 times. grab another piece of hair and hold them together with an elastic. In this way, the regular band will be covered during the whole day. To finish, apply more hairspray along the hair, comb it, and we're done. We have this super cool ponytail. I really love it, and I swear it holds perfectly during 3, 4, or even 5 days.
Okay guys, this is all for today. I really hope you like this hairstyle.
Make sure you leave your comments down below telling us what hairstyles you'd like to see next.
See you next time.
Bye!